first player we're going to look at is going to be Kante, specifically his one to watch card. Now, a few weeks back, just before the Squad Builder Challenges, his one to watch card was selling for between 550 and 600,000 coins. After the Squad Builder Challenges had finished, he was about 400,000 coins, coming into today when the upgrades were announced. Now, Kante got an upgrade, which a lot of people didn't expect, and his card rose to an 85 rated. For a brief period, his value went up to about 440,000 coins, but a couple of hours later, it's already plummeted back down to 400,000 coins. So this suggests one of two things. Either the Squad Builder Challenges put loads more of his card on the market, and the supply is meeting the demand, or the second option is that people don't fully understand his value, and it is simply going to rise back to 600, maybe even higher, after people get over the hype around these upgrade cards and realize that they want him in the squad. Personally, I feel like he's going to be a great investment, even at 400,000 coins. In a couple of weeks' time, I could see him raising maybe 200,000. The next player we're going to look at is going to be Manny. Now, before all the Squad Builder Challenges, Manny's one to watch card was selling for about 140,000 coins. Then the Squad Builder Challenges were released. He also got a Man of the Match card, and then he got a Team of the Week. And his price was currently sitting on about 250,000 before today. Then he got an upgrade, and his card rocketed all the way up to 87 rated, and is now selling for around 380,000 on the market. Now, this card stats look absolutely amazing. He's got stupidly high pace, shooting, passing, dribbling, everything that's important. But is this card worth the same price as Kante's one to watch card? A lot of people don't like Manny and how he plays. Giving him better stats isn't going to change the fundamentals there. Personally, I believe that he's super hyped up because of the Team of the Week and the upgrade and the Man of the Match even, all coming in such a short period. It seems like a massive jump. I think he will hold a price of around 300,000 coins, but he does feel a bit inflated to me at the moment. Now, the next player we're going to look at is going to be a Cardi, mainly his last inform, his 87 rated striker card. Now, a couple of weeks ago, he was selling for about 52,000 coins. Up until today, after the upgrades were announced, when his price has gone all the way up to 65,000 coins. Now, he's more than likely to get an upgrade, and I'm sure his price is going to keep increasing up until that point. So you can still probably invest and make a bit of profit. Personally, though, with all the future upgrades, I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to let everybody build up the price, raise each other, and raise the price on the market beforehand. Then when everybody comes to panic sell at the same time, that's going to be the best chance to invest. They're going to start undercutting each other like they have with Kante today, who's a premium player. And then we're just going to pick up bargains when they flood the market. Right, guys, just to summarize on all the upgrades and the investment opportunities here, because they've been going on for so long and people have been speculating this, they've been picking them up, investing, trading with them, we don't have any idea how much some of these cards are worth, like a Cardi, like Nzonzi. And the problem with this is, when we're picking them up, we don't know if we're buying them at an inflated price or a cheap price. We don't know what the actual demand is, regardless of how good their card actually looks. Due to this, I believe it's going to be a lot safer for us to wait until the upgrades are announced and then watch everybody who's invested panic sell at the same time. We can pick up some absolute deals when these cards reach the bottom at this point, and then we can just ride the wave as the cards regain their value, recover to where they were, and in some cases exceed it. We've just got to make sure we're picking up players that are in demand and have fantastic stats. Right, guys, so the last thing we're going to cover here are all the cards that aren't included in these upgrades. So when something big happens on FIFA, the majority of the market seem to forget about everything else that's going on or has been going on in the past. Mainly the one-to-watch cards in this example. So if we have a look here, we can see Sacco. Now, Sacco's been going for about 20,000 coins constantly for the past couple of weeks. Premier League aren't playing this weekend, which is going to affect this price slightly. But taking that out of the equation, he's still down to 16,000 coins. It's the same with Schneiderlin. He's been going for about 26 to 30,000 on a normal day, and he's at 22,000. Depay, he was up to 65,000 before his last game. He's currently at about 43,000 coins. And it's the same all the way down the new lists, especially if we look at players like Niang. Now, he's going for 24,000. The cheapest I've seen him has been 29,000. And that's been pretty much since the Squad Builder Challenges ended. We've also got Berahino, who's going for 15,000 coins for a one-to-watch card. it's almost impossible to lose money if you're investing in these players. And if they do get hyped up and speculation rises before their next game, you're going to be able to sell on for a fortune because they'll probably hit close to 30,000 coins a piece.